Hi. When you create a teaching resource on Monsha, at some point you will see something like this. This page allows you to submit your source material or reference for the resource you want to generate. For example, we are creating a question now. So on this page, I can assign my topic, upload a YouTube video, a file, a link from the internet, or anything. So we'll walk you through this one by one. And the fun part is you can actually submit multiple of these options simultaneously. For example, you can upload a YouTube video and you can upload a file and you can upload a link at the same time for a single resource. So this gives you more flexibility in aligning your resource to your already existing reference materials. So for example, first you have this topic. You can just type in your topic, theme, or question you are creating the resource for. Then there is an option called a Monsha resource. So this is fun. This allows you to select any previously created Monsha resource that you want to use as a base or source material for this particular resource you are going to create next. For example, you are creating a question now, but you already had a, let's say, vocabulary words on chemical reactions or on AI technology. You can use that, select that, and the upcoming resource will be based on the content of the previous resource. This is fun. And as you select a reference option, you will see a sign or tick sign beside this. So you can click on this to hide the option, but it will be kept checked. Then comes a link from the internet. So you can put in any link, any Wikipedia page, any Khan Academy page, Britannica page, or any article or research paper, anything. So generally, any link that comes up in Google search result page are supported, but links like Google Docs or Google Slides or anything that is kept behind any authentication or requires sign up or logging in, those are not supported here. And then you can submit any YouTube video, just put the link here, as long as the YouTube video has captions or subtitles in it built in. So for example, you can quickly check if a YouTube video has subtitles or not by just going in this CC icon. So if you click here, any video that has subtitles will show the subtitles, and clicking it will hide it. So this is a quick way to check if the video has subtitle or not. If it does, you can just select it and then paste it here, and it will be green checked. Then you get to upload a file from your Google Drive or from your laptop or desktop or PC or mobile. So currently you can upload any PDF, doc file, presentation file, spreadsheets like Excels or CSVs, and even images like PNGs and JPG. Two cautions. When you upload a PDF, you have to make sure the text within the PDF are readable. By readable, I mean this. So this is a document or PDF. If you click on this, I'm trying to click it here, but it's not selecting the text. That means the text is hard coded in the document. So this is not readable. But this is another PDF. But if I select here, I get to select specific text. So this text is readable and selectable. So this is supported by Monsha. And as for images, you'll have to make sure that the image contains text. So for example, this image doesn't contain any text, so we can't read it. So what you do is basically extract the text from the image and then process it to create the resource for it. So this here contains image, so this is easy for us to extract the text and use it as a source. And then you have another option called any text or excerpt. So for example, if you have some text or some documents or anything that we can't currently process it using either video or file or any link, one of any of those options, you can alternatively somehow scrap the text yourself or just put the text directly on this box. So this is a fail safe.